Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 or 10 that keeps freezing and lagging randomly. Now this should be a quick and easy tutorial video. All you have to do is to go ahead, click on the search menu, and then type in File Explorer. After that, click on Open. Then just go ahead to the left side, click on this PC, then right-click on your local disk C. After that, click on Properties and then go ahead Access Tools. Then click on Check. Then click on Scan Drive. Then give it some time to scan in the background because this is going to take some time. So let's go ahead to the next step. After that, just type in CMD, which is Command Prompt. Then run as administrator. So just give it some time. Then when you open up for you, just go ahead, type in SFC /scan now. And scan now must be written in one word. Then hit enter, then just give it some time to scan by itself. Just leave running in the background for now. So we can go ahead to the next step. This will take some minutes. So just leave it. Now the next step we can do is to go ahead to the search menu again. Then type in Power Plan. And after you type that, just go ahead access the settings. Just click on Open. So after you open up for you, you can see that this window will pop up. Just click on Power Options, which is located at the top. And now here, the next thing you can do is to select the higher ultimate performance. If you have it available here, go ahead, click on it, and make sure it's enabled so that you can avoid crashing problems. So after you have done all of that, you can go back to the first scan. It has been successfully scanned. So click out of it. Now let's go to the next part, is to open up services and turn off any unused services. So just give it some time and it will open up for you, as you can see. And here you can just click on any of these services. Then type S, then scroll down until you find SYS main. You can right-click on it, then click on Properties, and you can click on Stop to stop it from running in the background. After that, select this Automatic and click on Disabled. So this should be good to go. The next thing you can do is you can access Settings. Then click on Open. And after that, at the left side, access the System tab. Then at the right side, just keep scrolling down. And here, just enable Storage Sense. So click on it until it says On. Then go to the tab, click on Temporary Files. This is it. And here you can delete any temporary files you don't need. So this was an easy and quick tutorial video. As always, thank you for watching.